So you might be in a situation where for some reason your MacBook Neo is not powering on. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. But the very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about is just going through and making sure that your particular MacBook Neo was charged up. This can be one of the main issues that you might run into here. So go through, plug in your MacBook Neo into its charger, and then go through and hold down that power button. That could be the very, very easiest way of kind of fixing this problem for the most part. And that is exactly what I'd recommend doing, because that is a very, very important thing here. Now, on top of that, if that doesn't end up working, the next thing I would probably recommend thinking about here too is going through and just letting your MacBook Neo sit there on its charger for a little bit of time. Again, that right there is going to be another very important thing too. Because again, if that doesn't end up working, your next best bet is to go through and just kind of shut your MacBook Neo out. Like take that display, just fold it down a little bit, give it another second, open it up, and then go through and hold down that power button. That is another very easy thing. I have had to do that a couple of times with my Macs. I have no idea why I have to do it, but that's just one of those things I end up having to randomly do. That's another one of those things I'd recommend kind of doing here as well. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, another important thing I'd recommend doing here too is to go through and make sure that you don't have a weird power button issue going on with your MacBook Neo. So any covers or cases you have around your MacBook, take them off. Try holding down that power button again with that charger. Hopefully that will end up fixing it for you. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.